What is up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Asia Monique. Now I just did a video on my newfound love, which is the NYX foundation. So if you want to see how I achieve my everyday look using that foundation, then definitely go ahead and click the link below in the description box. Just in case y'all like, oh my gosh, she has on the same shirt. Yes, this is another video that I decided to do because I get so many questions about my baby hairs. So I definitely want to pass on the love and show you guys how I do it, because there's a whole bunch of ways you can do it. So let's go ahead and get into the video. So to start, you are going to need something like this. I got this at my beauty supply store. It was $2. It's like a dual-sided kind of job right here. So you have the little fine-tooth comb at the end, and then you have the brush, and you can also use a damn toothbrush. Y'all know the toothbrush is a staple in the beauty community, okay? If you want to be laid to the gods, you want to be slayed, toothbrushes are definitely a way to go. So those things. And another thing that you are going to use, I'm sorry, I'm reaching over the damn table. So I use either Gorilla Snot because it's like an extra good hold for certain types of hair. It really doesn't matter. I also use Eco Styling Gel. I love Eco Styling Gel. This right here is the olive oil. I've tried every one of them, from the ones with the little pearly accents inside of it. Whatever, you know, whatever gel you have, whatever edge control. I don't really like to use edge control, but it's a little greasy, so I don't want to talk forever. So let me go ahead and start. So I'm gonna use this side, the brush side. I'm gonna take a little bit of my Eco Styling Gel on my finger. You see that? And of course, you gotta comb your baby hairs out. I did my ponytail, my bun, and I combed my baby hairs out. So it depends on where you want your baby hairs to go. It can go that way, it can go this way, some can go this way, some could be squiggly. It really doesn't matter. I like doing the squiggles like this on my sideburns. So I'm gonna just go ahead and put some gel like that all across. And I'm gonna separate this because I want some of this to go that way and this to go that way. I want more on this side as opposed to this side. So I'm gonna take this, and then I'm gonna place my finger here. It's kind of like you're doing finger waves. Place my finger right here and, you know, swoop it like that. I mean, literally, it does not matter where you swoop it as long as you swoop it. And I have foundation, so please do not make fun of me for that. So I am just going to be swooping it every which way. It really doesn't matter. This is a fine example for you guys. I'm gonna take my beauty blender because my damn gel is getting in the way of my foundation. And I'm just going to swoop it every which way. Baby hairs are literally easy to do for as long as you got some kind of bristle comb, some gel, some edge control, whatever you use in your hair. You just use your fingers to kind of go along and create that wavy central type look. So I'm gonna dab it again. This is bad to do when I have foundation on my face, but it's whatever. So I'm gonna put some more of my Eco Styling Gel on this side. And I'm also going to create the squiggly wave effect. Usually I'll just swoop and swipe, swoop and swipe. 2 swoops on this side, 2 swoops on that side, but I'm going for a more wavy type look today. So I'm gonna go ahead and create the wave illusion in my baby hairs. So it's kind of like art because you can do it every which way you want to do it. It really doesn't matter how you do it. Again, I can't stress that enough. It does not matter. As long as it's neat. You can't be looking crazy, y'all. girl, sometimes it can literally take forever to get the type of look you want. So yeah, I'm just messing with it until I get it where I want. But okay, so I don't know why I was having the hardest time, but I messed up my foundation on my forehead, but it's okay. You guys kind of get a feel of what I am going for. I love you guys so much. I hope this will help you guys on your baby hair journey. Yeah, I will see you guys in the next video. Do not forget to click that subscribe button and join my team. I love you guys so much. I will see you guys on the next one. Bye.